The truth behind Kim Saeron's final days. A debt notice that shocked the industry? Did it push Kim Saeron over the edge? Kim Saeron's story is one of talent, struggle, and heartbreak. But behind her tragic passing, a deeper story unfolds, one that raises serious questions about the actions of those she once trusted. Dispatch has exposed the troubling relationship between actress Kim Saeron and her former agency, Gold Medalist. The controversy centers around a debt notice that many believe played a significant role in her tragic passing. The evidence suggests they pressured her over debts, leading to stress and despair in her final days. The debt that crushed her. In March 2024, Gold Medalist sent Kim Saeron an official notice demanding she repay her outstanding debt, 686 million Korean wons, around 473,000 USD. They warned her that if she failed to pay by December 31, 2023, they would take both civil and criminal legal action. Kim Saeron, once the agency's most valuable celebrity, was in no position to pay back such a huge amount. After her drunk driving incident, she lost most of her income and was struggling to support her family. Despite this, Gold Medalist showed no mercy. Overwhelmed by fear and pressure, she turned to the one person she believed could help: Soo Hyun, her former colleague and ex-boyfriend. Her message to him was heartbreaking. Dispatch obtained a message that Kim Saeron sent to Soo Hyun, where she poured out her distress and emotions. "Oppa, this is Saeron. I received the letter of certification today that your company is suing me. You said that you would give me ample time, so I'm working hard, preparing to make a comeback. I will pay you back with a percentage from each work. I'm not saying that I won't pay you back, but if you suddenly ask for 700 million Korean wons, about 480,000 US dollars right now, I really can't do anything. It's not that I won't, but I can't. Do you really have to take it as far as a lawsuit? Please save me. I beg of you, give me some time." But Soo Hyun never responded. In a desperate attempt to get his attention, she posted a photo of them together online. Whether it was a cry for help or a last-ditch effort to change her situation, but instead it backfired and the silence from Gold Medalist remained deafening. Gold Medalist's company's shifting statements. After Kim Saeron's passing on February 16, 2025, Dispatch questioned Gold Medalist about the debt. Their response, Gold Medalist claimed they never intended to take money from her. They insisted that they only sent the legal notice as a formality and had informed her manager of this. But Dispatch pointed out a contradiction. If the agency truly never intended to collect the money, why did they send a formal repayment demand with legal threats? Yet, their actions told a different story. If they never intended to collect, why was she so anxious? Why was she forced to sell her car and assets to gather whatever funds she could? To pay off her debts, Kim Saeron sold her car and liquidated assets, managing to gather around 200 million Korean wons, approximately 138,000 USD. Despite her efforts, she could not clear the entire amount. Meanwhile, Gold Medalist and its owners made significant financial gains through business investments, further fueling suspicions about their treatment of Kim Saeron. Dispatch visited the apartment complex where Kim Saeron lived before her death. A resident recalled seeing her often crying on the stairs. "I remember seeing her cry a lot. She seemed to be dealing with something very painful. I even noticed a wound on her wrist. I didn't know she was an actress. I just thought she was someone struggling to survive in Seoul." Kim Saeron was supposed to move out on February 18, 2025. But just 2 days before, on February 16th, the same day as Soo Hyun's birthday, she passed away. The agency's final statement, Gold Medalist, dismissed Dispatch's claims, calling them false. However, Dispatch stood by their findings, suggesting there was more to the story. A close acquaintance of Soo Hyun admitted that while his relationship with Kim Saeron was real, her young age was the reason they never acknowledged it publicly. In the end, Dispatch concluded that many factors contributed to Kim Saeron's tragic end: media scrutiny, personal struggles, and emotional burdens. But one thing remains clear. The way Gold Medalist handled the situation raises serious questions about their role in her suffering. Her story is one of desperation, unanswered pleas, and a system that failed to protect her when she needed it the most.